Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Monday, May 2nd, 2022. Let's take a look at the Forex calendar first. As you can see, there's plenty of data today, so the markets will be quite busy. We got already some data published during the Asian session. We got the PMI manufacturing data from Japan, beats the expectations just a tad. However, it's still important. Actual earning 53.5 points. The forecast was 53.4 points, so we beat the expectations. The consumer confidence, however, in Japan dropping from 34.9 to 33 points, so this is not quite a good number at all. Retail sales in Germany dropped to minus 0.1% versus the expectations at the level of 0.2%. And during the day, we will have many more data from the Germany. We will have the PMI manufacturing, of course, and the rest of the data from France, from Switzerland, and from Spain. PMI manufacturing will be the main focus of the traders, and as you can see, we even have the PMI manufacturing and consumer confidence data scheduled for release at 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock, respectively, from the Eurozone. The main event of today is ISM manufacturing data from the US. This data is scheduled for release at 4 p.m. and the market participants expect an increase from 57.1% to 57.5%. So please keep an eye on the US dollar when this data is published. So busy day today ahead of the traders. Let's take a look first at the behavior of the SP 500 on the daily time frame chart. Daily time frame chart of the S&P 500 shows the signs of weakness, and this is exactly as we planned, and this is exactly what our scenario showed some time ago. We got the top for the wave B at 4,638, then we have the decline in wave 1, very small correction in wave 2, and sharp decline in wave 3. The wave 3 might be the most powerful and deepest in our situation wave on this chart. So the target for this wave has not been yet hit. 4,109 points is the low of the wave A, and it looks like we are getting there. Then, of course, we have wave 4 coming. So this is the corrective cycle, and then the last push in wave 5. The target for the wave 5, however, right now is quite clear. It's 3,928, and which is the 100% of the extension of the wave A measured from the top of the wave B. So this is the target. So far we are on the really good position to think that this target might be hit even this week. The level of 4,222 will now act as a technical resistance. So let me just change the color to red. There you go. This is the technical resistance, and the retracement in wave 4 shouldn't go higher than this level. However, I guess that the bottom for the wave 3 has not been hit yet. So please keep an eye on the levels of 4,109 and 4,084 points. So the outlook is bearish, confirmed by the momentum, and there is nothing really new in the S&P 500 outlook. We got it covered, so please follow the current scenario in order to see whether the market respects our outlook for the S&P 500. Let's now take a look at the euro dollar first, and then US dollar index. So euro dollar fell out of the channel. This is a very long channel in time. As you can see, the top for this channel is 2021, middle of the May 2021. We've been trading inside of this channel for quite some time now. We got only two false breakouts, and right now we are just falling out of this channel as the basically the bearish pressure intensify and the market really accelerate the moves lower. We broke below 1.0639. Recent low was made at 1.0471. The boost tried to bounce, however the high at 1.0593 wasn't enough to scare the bearish pressure, and as you can see here, today we are starting our day with the downside the target of the last week low, which is of course 1.0472. The daily candle is red, however this candle has not been closed yet. Of course we still need plenty of hours to close this candle, but it already looks bad. It already looks bad for the bulls. They don't have any kind of a strength and kind of a momentum really to elevate the prices higher, to perform some kind of a pullback or bounce towards 1.0639. However, even if they will get here, this level is not enough to reverse this trend, and they will have to break above 1.0393 and then 1.1167 in order to make a full V-shaped reversal, and then maybe retrace higher or terminate the downtrend. So the momentum confirms the downtrend. The momentum is right now on the extremely oversold levels. The market is still under the control of bears, so we should expect lower levels on the euro. The key, the master long-term technical support is seen at 1.0343, and this is the level from I think 2015 or even more. Let me just take a look from my data. This is very old technical support. This technical support is from 2016. So if we hit this level, and it looks like we want to get there, then the euro will be the strongest in many years. So very interesting situation on the euro, the dollar chart. If euro dollar is falling, then let's take a look at the American dollar. What is American dollar doing right now? Daily time frame chart. Let me just zoom in. However, we can start from here. The recent high 103.81 has been hit. So this is the high from, again, 2016. So this market is highly correlated with the euro dollar market. Euro dollar is going down, American dollar is going way up. As you can see, we are now consolidating the recent gains in a very narrow zone between 102.93 and 103.81. So it looks like that despite the extremely overbought market conditions, this market still wants to go higher. So all of these levels right now are the technical support. So let me just change the colors to avoid any confusion, and there you go. We got the new levels here. For some of you who are watching my analysis day by day, they already know these levels. 100.89 is the technical support, kind of an important one. And the other one is 102.92, where we are just consolidating the recent gains into the extremely overbought market conditions. So US dollar keeps going up. Let's just find out what the crude oil is doing after the last week data. Well, as you can see, the situation stabilized on the crude oil. Still the way on the level of 108.42 is the main technical resistance for the bulls. We got a very nice pin bar on the daily time frame chart, so we should look to this week for more weakness on the crude oil. We might get even towards the 100 levels, or even towards the 96-95 level, where the lows for the wave A and B, A and C are located. So the crude oil not much doing, really not much consolidating, eventually being rejected from the higher levels than 108.42. And last but not least, let's take a look at Bitcoin. Of course, what is Bitcoin doing? We have a new lower low. This is very important here on a daily time frame chart of the Bitcoin. The new lower low was 37,402, and of course we got a bounce from this level. So right now we retraced 22.54%, and we are getting towards the number of minus 25.20. And if we get there, then of course this move lower will be confirmed of a balance, and the market should get even lower towards 50,905. However, the bulls are still trading below the short-term trend line, as you can see here, market in orange, and they are trading, of course, below the main technical resistances here, 39,265 and 39,877 main technical resistances. As long as we trade below those levels, then the outlook remains bearish. Momentum is negative, sentiment is negative on the Bitcoin, so the bearish pressure might continue lower. If we get below $37,051, the sell-off might accelerate towards 34,290. So that's my outlook for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.